Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with a new recipe, bread sweet. Okay, so I have taken a pan, heat the pan, and we will add, keep ready bread slices, and you need to just smash them or make into small pieces. Okay, I'll show you how to make them into small pieces. Okay, like this. You can make it more small, but this is also enough. So now I think the pan is ready. I'll just add, this is a homemade butter which I made. Okay, so you can add oil or anything. I am just adding homemade butter. You need to see this because this is a very important one in this recipe, because butter only will give you the perfect taste to the sweet. Okay, so you should see the quantity, how much bread you are adding, that much butter should be added. If it is less, you can adjust it afterwards. After adding bread also, you can add some oil, ghee to it. There is no problem. Okay, so now butter is melted. Now we are going to add dry fruits into it. It's your wish, whatever dry fruits you like you can add. I'm adding cashew nuts, which are my favorite. And then kismis, almond, whatever your wish. Dry fruits can be anything. It's up to you. Okay, let them get brown, or because if you're adding kismis, it actually swells when you heat up, so that means they are ready, they are cooked. So you can add the next ingredient. Okay, so here comes our kismis, the main hero. And then the hero of sweet, every sweets needs it, the cardamom powder. This is also important again, but actually I don't like this powder, but this powder gives a wonderful taste to a sweet. This is my favorite sweet actually. So let them cook. I already said that the cashew nuts should get brown and kismis will get swelled up. And here sugar is ready. Now this sugar quantity is also based on the bread quantity you have taken. How much bread you have taken, more sugar you should be taking, because sugar is sweet. It's a sweet, right? Sweet recipe. Whenever I see this kismis, I just remember osmosis, which my ma'am showed me in my biology. One more thing, important thing, in this sugar you need to melt the sugar, so I have added some water. Now we are not going to heat it. Okay, just I'm adding water and keeping it aside so that it can melt. Now our bread, the main thing, is going into the recipe. The bread pieces which we have already kept them ready, and let them get fried. So as I said, if you see the ghee content is less, so I can add more ghee or butter into it. It's upon us, or upon the bread quantity which we have taken. So let them get fried nicely. They should not get brown, because after adding the sugar solution they are going to get brown. See, so that much brown is enough actually. You can use brown bread too, there is no problem on it. Any bread goes in, but it will be same taste, I assure you that. Okay, now you can see this is the perfect color which we want actually to our bread recipe. So just give it a mix, and afterwards the mixture which we have get ready. See, the sugar has melted. I can add this recipe. So I have not heated it actually, I've just kept it aside till the bread fries and the sugar melted. Just add into the recipe. You can add some water into it. Again, water is also based upon the quantity of bread we have taken. It should be no more water. Okay, you should not add more water. It should be equal amount of water with bread amount which we have taken. No means your sweet will become watery sweet. So it should be equal amount. And just after adding the water, see, you get the perfect color. This is the perfect color of the sweet we should get. and I can get the aroma. Smell is too good. If the smell is too good, that means your sweet is going to be too good. Okay, so let us give a good mix. And that's it, your sweet is ready actually. But I need to still add some water so that it can come together. And this color is important. You need to get this color. This is my grandmother's recipe actually. This is not my mother's or not my own recipe. So my grandmother's recipe. Okay, now just garnish the bread with cashew nuts. I'm not garnishing it because I already have added some cashew nuts. So just serve it in a serving bowl and have it. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. So I have emptied the bowl. Where the sweet went? Okay, it's in the bowl. Thank you for watching. Be happy.